Hi, welcome to the Property Master, the Wealth System family. Before we dive deeper, I need to share a quick disclaimer. My attorney has asked me to disclose the following earnings and disclaimer. The information provided in this course and all the courses provided by Korianne book Korean Property Master the Wealth, Korianne.com, and their advertiser sponsors are for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or investment advice. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy, the real estate market is constantly evolving. Always conduct your due diligence, consult with a qualified financial and legal professional before making all the investment decisions. So I leave the screen here. Please read it and please consult with all the professional before you make any decision. Your outcome will depending on your ability to take actions and your learning effectively. Let me take a moment to introduce who I am so that you get to know me a little bit and my background. I want to share my mission with you today. It's simple. I'm here to empower 1 million people just like you to achieve financial independence through cash flow real estate and live life on your terms. Think about what that means. Financial independence is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, to pursue your passions, and to live the life you have always dreamed of. And I truly believe that cash flow real estate is one of the most powerful ways to achieve that. It's about creating passive income that allows you to break free from the traditional 9 to 5 grind and take control of your future. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing my knowledge and experience with you. I want to give you the tools and strategies you need to build your own real estate portfolio and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. So, are you ready to join me on this mission? Are you ready to take control of your financial future and live life on your terms? Before we get started, I want to take a moment to share a bit about my journey and why I'm so passionate about teaching real estate investing. I didn't start out with a perfect plan. I became an accidental landlord when we turned our old primary home into a rental. I had no financial backup, no clear roadmap, just a vision and determination to figure it out. So over the years, I invested over 200,000 in real estate educations and taxes educations. I make mistakes, face financial setbacks, and had moments where I questioned everything. But I refused to quit. Through perseverance and the guidance of the right mentors, I learned what truly works in this business. And now I'm here to share that knowledge with you so you can avoid the mistakes I make and fast track your path to success. I'm Korianne, and I want to personally welcome you to this program. The fact that you are here tells me something. You are serious about building financial independence and creating wealth through real estate investing. And that's really exciting. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, helping you navigate the ups and downs so you can reach your goal faster and with more confidence. I wish I could tell you that I became a multi-millionaire overnight, But not my story. I didn't inherit wealth. I didn't marry into money. My journey filled with challenges, sacrifice, and hard lessons. At just 14 years old, I escaped Vietnam on a boat alone with another 98 people or stranger that I didn't know them before. I spent an entire month at sea, surviving three massive ocean storms. Each time, our boat nearly flipped over, and I truly believed I could make it. Fortunately, I did. And that experience helped shape me into the person I am today. It taught me resilience, determination, and the ability to push forward no matter what obstacles come my way. And that's exactly what I want to share with you. How to overcome challenges and build real wealth through real estate investing. After a month at sea, my boat finally reached Refugee in Hong Kong. I spent nearly 4 years there, waiting and hoping for the chance for a better life. And then I was granted entry into the United States, the land of opportunity. I arrived at almost 19 years old with almost nothing. I barely spoke English. I didn't have connections or resources. But I knew one thing: I had to build a better future for myself. And that's exactly what I set out to do. When I was in college, I worked multiple jobs, not because I wanted to, but because I refused to take on student debt. By the time I graduated with double majors, I had saved enough to invest wisely instead of just spending it. My first corporate job paid about $58,000 a year. I make it a priority to save 30% of my income, putting money into my 401k where the company that I work for would match, and then the equity or stock markets, and then real estate. But everything changed when I had my first child. That's when I realized I didn't want to spend the next 40 years tied to a 9 to 5 job. I, want, I wanted true financial freedom. Then life threw me a curveball. I lost my job when my company ran out of money during the dot-com bubble. Instead of panicking, I saw an opportunity. I took a leap, started my own mortgage company, and immersed myself into real estate investing. Within 8 years, I built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio. But more importantly, I created a system that allowed me to reach financial independence by 35. And now I'm here to show you how you can do it too. So beyond my passion for learning and investing, I'm also a proud mom and a wife. One of my greatest joys is traveling with my family and spend time with them. We have explored over 90 countries so far, and there are still so many more on my list. For me, financial independence isn't about wealth or money. It's about the freedom to create unforgettable experience and live life on my terms with my loved ones. I am a lifelong learner, and when I'm not investing or spend time with my family and my children and my husband, you will often find me reading, always looking for new ways to grow and improve. But beyond that, I make it priority to take care of my well-being because true success isn't just about financial wealth. It's about health, balancing your life, and fulfillment. I also believe in giving back. Contributing to others in need is something I deeply value. And it's a big part of why I do what I do. So financial independence isn't just about money. It's about creating a life where you have the time and freedom to take care of yourself, your loved ones, and make a difference for others. Here is today I want to share with you about my why. The reason I choose cash flow real estate. My journey into cash flow real estate in my late 20s. And it was driven by one clear purpose: freedom. When we had our first son, Matthew, everything changed. I didn't just want financial success. I wanted the freedom to be present for my family without stretching about money. At the time, I was pregnant and my husband was transitions between jobs. That experience made one thing clear. I never wanted my family to rely on just one income. So I made a commitment. I would grow my mortgage business and invest in real estate until we could own at least 20 cash flowing properties, generating six-figure in passive income. For me, this goal wasn't just about wealth. It was about creating a life where we wasn't trading time for money. Coming from a humble background as an immigrant, I understood how financial resources create opportunities. I wanted my children to have the best educations and environment to grow into strong, capable individuals who could make a difference in the world. That's why we are prioritizing our educations, starting with a private school to build a strong foundation and later transition them into a top-tier public school where they could thrive in any setting. Because of them, I worked relentlessly in the mortgage company, closing over 250 million in mortgages alone, while growing our real estate portfolio from one rental property in 2001 into 36 cash flowing property by 2009. Everything I built was for my family to have the financial security, the opportunities, and the freedom to live their life on their own terms. Real estate isn't about owning properties. It's about creating passive income, secure your financial future, and having the freedom to live life on your terms. I'm incredibly grateful for the life I have today, all because of the real estate investments I made 24 years ago. Because of those decisions, I have the time freedom to focus on my health, my well-being, and my relationships with my loved ones, my children, and some of my good friends. And here is the truth. You don't have to work for 40 years to live this kind of life. Real estate investing can cut down 10 to 15 years of your working life if you start now and do it right. So take actions, create your financial plan, and start implementing it quietly, strategically, and with a purpose. And real estate has transformed my family's life. And remember, I came from humble beginnings. If I can do it, I know you can too. My journey start with residential real estate, just like we are focusing on this course. But over time, it grow into strategic and diversified portfolio across multiple asset classes. But now, this course will primarily focus on residential property investments. However, I will touch base on how to scale into commercial projects in a bonus lesson after you complete this course. So you will get a glimpse of the bigger possibility. As you see some of this property, the equity gain in those projects were based on the old figures, but most of them have a minimum of between 200,000 to 500,000 in equity gain as of today in the early 2025. That is the kind of growth we are talking about. I have personally sold many projects, including residential properties, mobile home parks, apartments, and office buildings. Some of them I exchanged for better real estate assets to improve our cash flow and to mitigate our investment risk. It's all about strategic growth and managing your portfolio. I want you to know I have been in your shoes. I was struggling a full-time job, running a mortgage company, raising two young kids, and still trying to build a better future through real estate investing. And I tell you the truth is, it was a lot. But here is the thing I want you to understand. You don't have to quit your day job to build a successful real estate portfolio. In fact, you should keep your job. And I'm going to explain why in the later lessons. We will dive into how your current income can actually be a huge advantage when it comes to real estate investing. Let's talk about what we are going to achieve together in this course. My goal is to give you the step-by-step roadmap to investing in real estate. We are going to cover everything you need to know to get started and succeed. I want to help you avoid those costly mistakes that really slow down your financial growth. You will learn from my experiences and the experiences of others, so you can skip the pitfalls and get straight to the good stuff. You are going to learn how to buy cash flow rental properties successfully. And here is the exciting part. I'm going to show you how you can reach the $9,000 a month in passive income within 10 years or less. Imagine what kind of income could do for your life. We will also focus on how to retain more of your earnings and lower your taxable income. Plus, you will be providing safe housing for local families, which is really rewarding part of being a real estate investing. And ultimately, this course is about building a strong financial future for yourself and your retirement. It's about creating the net eggs that allow you to make an impact on your loved ones and support the causes that matter to you the most. All right, now is your turn. I want to hear from you. This course is about building a community, and that starts with getting to know each other, right? So let's start with a few questions. What is your financial goal? What are you hoping to achieve through real estate investing? What is your why? You already know my why, right? What is driving force behind your desire to invest? Is it to spend more time with families, travel, or something else? What motivates you to sign up for this course? What sparks your interest in real estate? Where are you from? I'm always curious to know where everyone is joining us from. And finally, what is one thing holding you back from investing in real estate right now? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or something else? I want you to drop your answer in the comment below. I would love to hear from you and support your financial journey to reach your goal. That's it for this lessons. I will see you in the next lessons.